Welcome back, Dragonsden Arm Wrestling. Workout time, but as you can see, it is pouring rain. But if you want to be the best, you got to train like the best. Rain, sleet, or shine, and that's exactly what I plan to do. I mean, if you just pan the camera around, we got rivers running down everywhere. But today's workout is going to be 20 muscle ups, followed by 25 dips with 110 pounds added, 25 pull-ups with 80 pounds added, 100 dips, and 50 pull-ups. And then you'll see me every once in a while dry off the bar because I don't want to slip and risk injury, especially on the muscle ups. So you'll probably see me dry off the bar every now and then. But I'm going to weigh the weights for you guys, and then we'll go ahead and get started.
Alright, so as you can see, I weighed in about 165 with everything on wet jacket, so that's probably about 161, 162 naked weight. Then we're going to weigh the Power Block EXP Elite next. Weighed in at 50 pounds on the dot, super calibrated weights. Then last we're going to weigh the vest plus myself. So remember I weighed in at 165. The vest and me weighs in at 226.4, so 61 pound vest. And then here's just a fun little clip of showing how wet everything is as I'm walking up, carrying all the gear up to the pull-up bar.
Alright, so we got everything ready. As you can see, it's a bit of a muddy mess. Got the weights out here, 61 pound vest and 50 pound dumbbell. So once I come from the muscle ups, I'll go to dips, where I'll do 25 dips with 110 pounds added. Then I'll go back to pull-ups for 25 pull-ups with 80 pounds added. And all I have to do to go to 80 pounds is just pop this out to this rung here, or no, this rung here, and then that'll be 80 pounds. And then obviously with the vest on, and then after that I'm just going to take the vest and the weights off and the harness off. I keep the harness on just because it makes it easier for the transitions when I go to put everything on. And then I'll probably just take it off once I go to switch to weightless dips. That way it's just a little extra break for me. We're going to go ahead and get started.
Yeah, let's go. I'ma make a couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. Grow up, I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah, man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah. hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Man, I promise that I'm gonna make it somewhere. As long as I'm conscious, I'll be working hard to get there. I am not a novice, I'm gonna be the best, so prepare. Cause you know I'm honest and I'm coming for you, be scared. Y'all already know. Yeah, that's right. Y'all better watch out. NFX is on the rise. Yeah. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I, well please, I don't give it if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. You got me up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. I'll take it too personally, everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me, everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds constantly, so stop and breathe to find out who you wanna be. Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up, it's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up, live the life you want now, a life you don't doubt. I could give a how, just get your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream, if it's what you deserve. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
save us? Would you leave it all on the pavement? Would you dive the ground with some straight blood? I just wanna find all my limits. I'ma put everything in it. I'm in this life to win it. And this is just the
PR on that workout by maybe like 25 seconds or something like that. So I'm definitely happy with that, especially given the conditions. And I feel like I had a shoulder tweak yesterday anyway. So considering I was still able to bust out a PR with everything that's going on right now, I'm definitely happy with that. Shows I'm definitely improving. But if you want to see more content like this, or comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what y'all would like to see next. See you on the next one.